10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Good NASA. Godspeed, bottom down.
We're living, baby! We're living!
So rises a new era of American spaceflight.
I'm recording. I'm sorry.
New generation continuing the dream. 20 seconds of stage one propulsion is nominal.
We passed 30 seconds into this historic mission.
Boom!
Flying crew on board Dragon and Falcon 9, and look at them go.
Falcon power telemetry nominal.
And 1D throttle down.
We're throttling down to get ready for the period of maximum dynamic pressure. We're in the throttle bucket. Reports say all systems are go.
Vehicle is supersonic.
We've exceeded Mach 1 on the Falcon 9.
And 1D throttle up.
There's speed so
Mira, tú ves
high.
allí donde dice
Throttling back up to full power as we're through to max Q.
Copy 1 Bravo.
And we heard that one Bravo call out. That's just the second abort zone that they're in. They'll continue to be on this
Look inside.
until the first stage has done its job and they switch over to the second. At this point, Bob and Doug pulling about 2.3 Gs, 2.3 times the Earth's gravity, already moving at over 1,500 miles per hour.
We've heard the call out for MVAC engine chill. That's getting the MVAC engine ready to light. That'll come at about 2:44 into flight.
Gang.
Right now, everything continuing to look good.
And then the thing
Next
is gonna
major event
separate.
coming up is going to be the triple. We'll have main engine cutoff of the 9 first stage engines, stage separation,
Watch.
and then ignition of the second stage engine to continue to carry astronauts into orbit. Coming up in about 20 seconds.
And 1D throttle down.
They die.
We're throttling down the Merlin engines on the first stage.
1, 2, 3.
And we have Miko.
Nico.
Miko.
Falcon stage separation confirmed.
Copy 2 Alpha.
MVAC ignition.
Where is that thing going? Is it going to fall in somebody's backyard?
No, it's gonna land
Right, we have
automatically.
stage separation confirmed. The first stage beginning its flight back. The second stage being powered by that single Merlin 1D vacuum engine has ignited and is now carrying Bob
Look how
and
calm
Doug
every
into
time.
orbit.
Que los otros,
So they're going to
eso estaba-
continue under the power of this second
Stage
stage.
2 propulsion is nominal.
El
Cut
grandote
off
que yo.
at Seco,
Ah,
our
no,
second
no,
engine
no,
cut
no,
off
no,
about 8 minutes and 44 seconds into today's flight. So a little over 5 minutes to go still on this second stage. You heard the call out to Alpha, so they're now in the longest abort zone that carries them all the way from about North Carolina up the eastern seaboard, almost to Canada. Things looking good though, getting good call outs,
Chequea afuera, a ver si tú lo puedes ver.
propulsion on that second stage.
What?
And they'll continue to make their way.
No, no se veía eso. Eso está en el espacio.
That thing isn't.
Dragon SpaceX
If we
nominal
look in the
trajectory.
sky, it's too bright.
Acquisition signal Bermuda.
SpaceX Dragon nominal trajectory.
¿Y por qué estaban viendo los pies?
Why did it look like spirals?
All right, here in nominal trajectories, the Dragon pointed in the right direction, continuing to make their flight uphill. Heard acquisition of signal Bermuda. That's one of the other ground stations that they're using to get telemetry and data back from this spacecraft.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
No es incompatible.
A little over 4 minutes, 40 seconds into the flight. Bob and Doug flying at more than 5,600 miles
Dragon
per hour.
SpaceX nominal trajectory.
Already almost 200 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Nominal trajectory continuing.
Two.
And while they continue up, it looks like we are getting a view of the first stage as well.
If on your right screen, you can see that first stage with the grid fins deployed. It's making its way back to attempt to land on our drone ship, Of Course, I Still Love You Today. And we're just about a couple minutes away from the entry burn, and that's where 3 of the 9 Merlin engines do ignite to help slow the vehicle down as it re-enters back into the Earth's atmosphere. And then after the entry burn will be the landing burn, which is just a single engine.
Dragon SpaceX nominal trajectory.
And you heard
Starting chill for entry.
there's that call out. They are still on a nominal trajectory on Dragon, still on second stage, and that's that MVAC engine on second stage on your left screen. Again, on your right screen is that first stage booster coming back towards our drone ship, Of Course, I Still Love You. We're about a minute away from entry burn.
Why did you say
How much? So how many?
While that second stage continuing to power Dragon
What's all
into
this
orbit. And if you keep an eye on that timer, that's going to continue to
I
burn
still
until
love you.
8
What
minutes
the
and
hell
44
is
seconds
I
into
love you.
flight. So a little over 2 minutes from now, we'll hear the call out Seco. It'll then be a little
Stage 2
under,
propulsion is still good.
a little over 3 minutes until Dragon physically separates from the second stage of the Falcon 9 after the upper
Dragon
stage gets a
SpaceX
chance.
nominal trajectory.
Dragon copies, nominal trajectory.
Continuing to check in with Bob and Doug as they are on a nominal trajectory. Just about 10 seconds away from that first stage, starting that entry burn on your right screen. We should be able to see that view live.
Esta es la parte de abajo que va al landing.
And
So
there
you
is
see
that
it, so
entry
they
burn
say entry
continuing.
burn, that means ahí es que va a burn.
This burn
Que
lasts
está
about
entrando
36
atmósfera
seconds
ahí.
long.
Y va a burn
Stage 2 FTS
in a few months.
Never.
Until they die.
Well, that entry burn continues. We're just about a minute away from Seco. We'll have a number of events all happen in rapid succession. It'll be the second engine cutoff.
Stage 1
We'll
will
be looking for that stage 1 landing burn shortly after.
Actually, just within a few seconds of each other.
Where's the rocket?
Such a cool view on your left screen, seeing Bob and Doug on Dragon. Right now you can see the displays that they are seeing right now
terminal
themselves.
guidance.
And back to all set.
We are coming up 25 seconds or so away from Seco, the second engine cutoff.
You're gonna mess up my video, boy.
Also the point where Bob and Doug are experiencing their highest G-force. We're seeing the counter tick up to right about
I'm gonna put it on YouTube and gonna have a thousand.
You heard
Thousands
Shannon,
and
so that
thousands
just
of
means they're in the
evil.
final abort zones. If they were to abort at this point, would either
I
be an
know.
abort to orbit or to land off the coast
Yeah, but
of
not
Ireland,
everybody
standing by
watching
for
it.
second confirmation.
And back to all
Dude,
set.
watch Bobby's though.
And back to
Look at that,
set.
look at that.
Confirmation of Seco's second engine cutoff.
Now we are waiting for our first stage to make its way to our drone ship. Of Course, I Still Love You.
Dragon SpaceX nominal orbital insertion.
Vive en la cama.
Eso lo hizo Tesla, ese sistema.
Dragon copies,
Que se
nominal
parquea
orbital insertion.
¿Cómo la otra vez que lo puse?
What you're seeing on your screen is a live view of our drone ship, where our first stage will be coming down.
Eso para que vean
Looks like we've also had live view. We'll wait for confirmation of that landing shortly here.
Falcon 9 first stage successfully landed.
And there you can see on your screen,
¿Ya aterrizó?
Falcon 9 has landed.
¿Para qué
This
se
is
fue la
the
señal?
first Falcon 9 to carry humans to orbit, so very exciting for us.
The first
And as you can
human.